Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love gadgets and tech as much as I do, you're in for a treat today. In this video, we're going through the top 12 coolest gadgets that are worth your attention. These gadgets will blow your mind, make your life easier, and yes, they look pretty darn cool too. You can buy these gadgets from the links that are given in the description below. So, let's dive right into it. 12. Rocketbook Pro. The Rocketbook Pro is a premium reusable smart notebook that seamlessly blends traditional handwriting with modern digital convenience. Designed for professionals seeking both functionality and style, it features a scratch-resistant vegan leather cover, available in elegant colors like Coast Blue, Sage Green, and Black. The notebook includes a 40-page lined dot grid page pack, and users can customize their experience with interchangeable page packs, tailored for tasks such as meeting notes, to-do lists, and planning. And what sets the Rocketbook Pro apart is its embedded NFC hotspot. By tapping an NFC-enabled smartphone to the notebook's cover, users can instantly launch the Rocketbook app, facilitating quick scanning and organization of notes. The app supports optical character recognition, OCR, smart titles, and smart tags, allowing for efficient digitization and organization of handwritten content. Notes can be effortlessly uploaded to various cloud services, including Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneNote. 11. Cowan SE7 Headphone. The Cowan SE7 headphones are wireless over-ear headphones, designed to deliver high-quality audio and effective noise cancellation at an affordable price point. They feature active noise cancellation, ANC, technology, which reduces ambient sounds, allowing for an immersive listening experience. The headphones are equipped with 40mm large aperture drivers that provide deep bass and clear treble, catering to a wide range of musical genres. Comfort is a key aspect of the SE7's design. The headphones have a lightweight structure with adjustable headbands and protein ear cushions, ensuring prolonged wear without discomfort. Their foldable design enhances portability, making them convenient for travel and daily commute. In terms of connectivity, the Cowan SE7 utilizes Bluetooth 5.0, ensuring a stable and quick pairing process with compatible devices. The built-in microphone facilitates hands-free calls, and the onboard controls allow users to manage playback and calls effortlessly. Battery life is another strong suit, with up to 30 hours of playtime on a full charge, ensuring uninterrupted listening sessions. 10. Luxafor Switch. The Luxafor Switch is a wireless LED status indicator designed to enhance workplace communication by signaling availability in real time. Ideal for open offices, meeting rooms, and hot desking environments, it operates without software or app integration, offering a straightforward plug-and-play experience. The system comprises two components: the Luxafor Dot, which displays the status light, and the Switch Cube, a remote control that changes the dot's color when flipped onto a different side. The four fixed colors, red, green, yellow, and blue, are universally understood signals for availability and can be seen from a distance. The dot attaches to any surface using an included magnet and is powered by a 200-600 mAh, providing up to 50 hours of operation. The Switch Cube, with a 100 mAh battery, offers approximately 34 hours of use. 9. Ranvu. The Ranvu Ace 3, utilizing advanced quad-core semiconductor technology and a patented 360° air duct system, it delivers rapid temperature adjustments, cooling the body by up to 14. This makes it 25% more efficient than previous models, ensuring comfort in various climates. Equipped with a substantial 7,000 mAh battery, the Ace 3 offers up to 12 hours in fan mode, 6 hours in cooling mode, and 6.5 hours in heating mode. Its fast charging capability ensures minimal downtime, and the device can operate while charging, adding to its convenience. The ergonomic design accommodates neck sizes from 12 to 17 inches, featuring two thermal pads for prolonged comfort. A 1.9-inch touchscreen allows intuitive control, while the Matora OS-powered app offers advanced customization and real-time health monitoring, including heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and step count. 8. Universal Game. A universal gamepad is a versatile gaming controller designed to work seamlessly across multiple platforms, including PCs, consoles like PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, and even mobile devices. Unlike platform-specific controllers, a universal gamepad features adaptable connectivity options, such as Bluetooth, USB-C, or proprietary wireless dongles, to ensure compatibility. Its design often mirrors the ergonomic comfort and button layout of popular controllers, but adds customizable features like programmable buttons, adjustable triggers, and swappable thumbsticks. This makes it a preferred choice for gamers who play across different systems. The Polk Audio Signa S4 is a budget-friendly soundbar system that delivers immersive audio experiences, making it an excellent choice for enhancing your TV's sound quality. Priced at approximately $32-channel configuration with support for Dolby Atmos, providing a cinematic sound experience without the complexity of a full surround system. Dolby Atmos support equipped with 2 up-firing speakers. The Signa S4 creates a sense of height and depth in audio, simulating a surround sound environment by reflecting sound off the ceiling. Wireless subwoofer. The included wireless subwoofer enhances bass performance, adding depth to music and movie soundtracks. Its placement flexibility allows for optimal positioning without the hassle of wire. Multiple connectivity options. The soundbar offers HDMI eARC, optical, Bluetooth, and 3.5mm inputs, ensuring compatibility with various devices. It also includes a USB port for firmware update. User-friendly controls. 6. Western Digital D. The Western Digital D50. It combines a Thunderbolt 3 docking station with NVMe SSD storage, making it an ideal hub for high-end gaming laptops or compact workstations with limited ports. The D50 is available in various capacities, typically ranging from 1 TB to 2 TB of ultra-fast NVMe storage, ensuring rapid load times and efficient file transfer. One of its key advantages is the array of ports it offers, including DisplayPort 1.4, USB-C, USB-A. The FiiO Pocket 2S is a versatile compact 4K gimbal camera, designed for content creators seeking portability without compromising on video quality. Weighing just 179 grams and featuring a detachable design, it offers both handheld and wearable shooting options, making it ideal for vlogging, travel, and action. Equipped with a 1.2.5 CMOS sensor and 130° ultra-wide-angle lens, the Pocket 2S captures sharp, detailed footage at resolutions up to 4K 60 FPS. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal ensures stable shots, even during dynamic movement. Additional features include a 1.3-inch touchscreen for easy control, a 90cm extension cord for flexible mounting, and a magnetic base for quick attachment to various surfaces. Intelligent shooting modes, such as breakpoint shooting, face tracking, time-lapse. The Mogoem leather case for iPhone 15 Pro offers a blend of timeless design and premium craftsmanship, making it an excellent choice for those seeking both style and protection for their device. Premium leather construction, crafted from 100% genuine top-layer vegetable tanned cowhide. This case develops a unique patina over time, enhancing its character and appearance. Equipped with a built-in magnetic ring, the case supports MagSafe chargers and accessories, ensuring seamless wireless charging and accessory attachment. Rugged protection. Designed to provide additional drop and scratch protection, the case features raised lips to safeguard the iPhone 15 Pro's screen and camera. Minimalist design. The case boasts a sleek, minimalist design that complements the iPhone 15 Pro's aesthetics while adding a touch of sophistication. Leather care. As with all genuine leather products, a keyboard wrist rest is an ergonomic accessory designed to improve typing comfort and reduce strain on the wrists during extended computer use. Typically made from memory foam, gel, silicone, or soft fabric-covered materials, wrist rests provide a cushioned surface for your wrists to rest on while typing. This helps maintain a more natural wrist alignment, which can reduce the risk of repetitive strain injuries, such as carpal tunnel syndrome. Many wrist rests are designed to match the full length of a standard or mechanical keyboard, ensuring consistent support across both hands. Some also feature anti-slip rubber bases to prevent unwanted movement during use. An ideal wrist rest balances softness with firmness, providing comfort without compressing too much under weight. It's important to position the wrist rest so your wrists float lightly above it while typing, rather than pressing down hard, which can negate its ergonomic benefits. Insta360 is renowned for its innovative action cameras that push the boundaries of immersive storytelling. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a content creator, or someone who loves to capture every moment, Insta360 offers a range of cameras tailored to diverse needs. The Insta360 X5 is the latest flagship model, delivering stunning 8K 360 audio at 30 FPS, 5.7K at 60 FPS, and 4K at 20 fps. It features dual 101.28-inch sensors, enhancing low-light performance with its pure video mode. Notably, the X5 introduces replaceable lenses, reducing e-waste and extending the camera's lifespan. Its IP68 rating ensures durability in various conditions. Wireless soundbar. A wireless soundbar is a modern audio solution designed to enhance your home entertainment experience without the clutter of cables. It combines sleek design, high-quality sound, and easy connectivity, making it an ideal upgrade for TVs, especially those with weak built-in speakers. Unlike traditional sound systems, wireless soundbars connect via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, allowing you to stream audio from your TV, smartphone, or tablet without physical wires. Many models also come with a wireless subwoofer, which can be placed anywhere in the room for richer, deeper bass. Some advanced soundbars support surround sound formats like Dolby Atmos and DTS:X, creating a more immersive soundscape by simulating audio from multiple directions. Brands like Samsung, Sonos, Bose, and JBL. And that's a wrap for our top 13 coolest gadgets that are worth your attention. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more amazing tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.